Hey everyone! We recently had the opportunity to take out nüCamp's new 2021 Tab 320. Last week I posted a video walkthrough of the S model, and today I want to show you some of the updates in their other popular floor plan, the CSS, or clamshell, which features an outdoor kitchen. Beginning on the outside, the CSS is getting some of the same great upgrades as the S model. Underneath, you're going to find more robust and functional jacks, as well as an external LP hookup. This is really great if you have an outdoor stove or one of those outdoor campfire pits that hooks up to propane. Also standard on every Tab 320 is a new diamond-plated LP battery storage box. This box has a new shape, which makes the interior large enough to fit 2 propane tanks or multiple battery setups. They all also are going to come solar ready with the option of adding solar from the factory. On the driver's side of the camper, you'll find a door which opens up the Nautilus water management system. This is an easily accessible panel that controls your hot water bypass, a switch for your water pump, your fresh water tank fill, and your city water connection, a tank flush, and easy-to-use valve switches. Also located in this same door are your satellite and cable connections. You'll also be really excited to hear that they've increased the freshwater capacity to 20 gallons with a 17-gallon gray water tank. Moving along, we find the standard outdoor shower, and finally an access door to the new composting toilet. That's right, this is where the 5-gallon black tank for your composting toilet is accessed. And finally, nüCamp has completely redesigned the trim and graphic options for a more modern look. Along the outside edge, you'll find a new, smoother embedded awning rail, making it easy to attach accessories like awnings and tents. New trim color options are going to be a darker red, blue, and gray. They've removed the classic plastic trim from around the windows, but they now offer 3 great graphic designs: Classic, Aspire, and Ridge. Of course, the most notable difference of the CSS is the outdoor kitchen. If you're going camping and cooking outside is important to you, this is the model for you. The 2021 kitchen still features a large 2-way refrigerator, the option for a 0.7 cubic foot microwave, 2 outdoor speakers, 110 and 12 volt outlets, and large cabinets under the sink for storage. But there's a few new cool updates. First, they removed the outdoor TV, which makes the 2 upper cabinets much larger, and they still pass through to the interior of the tab. Next, you're going to see a larger, deeper sink with a higher faucet, and finally a new stove, still 2 burners, but it comes with a push-button igniter. Because of the outdoor kitchen, the CSS interior has a slightly different floor plan. The first thing you'll notice is there is tons of storage. At the rear of the interior, you'll find 2 large over-the-bed cabinets that pass through to the kitchen. There's also a cabinet in the upper corner by the bathroom. And on the front of the interior, where the indoor kitchen would have been in the S model, is instead a beautiful and functional storage area. This includes several large cabinets, a drawer below, 2 upper cupboards, and a large countertop. Within the cabinet, there are 110 and USB plugs, and there's a cord pass-through in the countertop for easy access. These cabinets are all 100% wood and will come in 2 wood color options. They've moved to using less hardware and less screws, but still have a great soft close latch. Perhaps the most exciting update in the CS is the bed functionality. Just like in the S model, nüCamp has gotten rid of the bed slats and implemented a new sliding expansion system that allows you to make up just one side of the bed for single sleeping or both sides of the bed for 2 people. And while laying in this newly designed bed, you still get the same great TV mounted on the wall, but with an updated media system. The Cube Entertainment Center unit even comes equipped with an HDMI input. Finally, the CSS has gotten the same great wet bath updates as the S model. As I mentioned on the outside, nüCamp has switched from the standard black tank toilet to the cassette toilet. This is going to allow for a lot more flexibility when emptying your black tank. There is now a second sink in the bathroom above the toilet. This sink faucet extends to a hook on the wall and doubles as a shower head. And the deluxe toilet is definitely wider and more comfortable. Finally, the previous transparent door has been replaced with a privacy door. Once again, nüCamp did an excellent job of updating the camper for a more modern appeal while keeping the classic tab design. If you want to spend most of your camping trip where you should be, outside, the CSS is the floor plan for you. So, here's to happy camping and a clamshell tab. Love and light!